Welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken pot pie. For this recipe you will need 3 chicken breasts shredded, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 potato diced, frozen peas and carrots, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 onion diced, a 1/4 cup flour, salt and pepper, butter, 1 chicken bouillon cube, and 1 pie crust. This is an easy recipe to put together for your family or to give to someone else. A simple way to shred your chicken is to put it in a mixer. All you do is take your chicken breast, put it in a stand mixer, turn it on and let it shred. Voila! Shredded chicken. To get started, we'll melt some butter. We'll add our onions. And we're going to cook these until they're translucent. Now that the butter has melted and the onions have cooked for a bit, we're going to go ahead and add in our peas and carrots. These are peas and carrots that I bought in the frozen section at the grocery store. I'm also going to go ahead and add our potatoes. And we're just going to let those cook for just a few more minutes. All right, we'll give this one quick stir. We've let the potatoes, carrots, onions, and peas cook for a few minutes. They will continue to cook in the oven. We're going to go ahead and add our shredded chicken. Give that a little stir. Smelling really good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add our 1/4 cup flour, and we're gonna let this cook for just a few minutes to cook the flour off. All right, now that the flour's cooked for just a few minutes, we're gonna pour in our chicken broth. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add in the bouillon cube, and that will dissolve. We'll go ahead and give that a good stir. You'll see as I stir it, the broth starts to thicken up already because of the flour that we put in there. We'll let this cook for just a few minutes for that bouillon cube to dissolve, and we'll continue to stir it. The bouillon cube gives it extra flavor. Add your cream. And your salt and pepper. Give that a stir. Man, that looks good. We're going to let this cook for 4 minutes to thicken up. That is bubbling away. We're going to go ahead and give a little taste test to make sure it doesn't need any more seasonings before we put it in the oven to bake it. It's perfect. Plenty of salt, plenty of pepper. Let's get going. Turn the heat off. We're going to spray our dish with non-stick cooking spray. All right, my pan's pretty heavy and hot, but we're just going to pour it in. Perfect. We have our thawed pie crust. We're going to roll it out and place it on top of our chicken pot pie mixture. You can just roll the edges down like this to make it look somewhat pretty. If it's going to someone else's house, you can cut it off, but we like our crust around here, so that looks pretty good. This is going to go into a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Can't wait to eat it. The 30-minute timer has gone off. Let's open the oven and take a look. Oh yeah, it is golden brown on top and bubbly. Let's carefully take this out. Oh my goodness. It is hot. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that bell below to get notifications each week when I upload a video. Let's cut into this and see how it looks. We've got the flaky crust and all the goodness inside of the chicken and carrots and peas and potato. This is healthy and hearty. This chicken pot pie recipe is so good. It is the best comfort food.